Hi guys, my name is Shara. Welcome to my channel. And today I want to open this box. I bought plants online. There's just two because I'm so bored and the weather is so gloomy and it seems like it's going to rain. It's gonna be a rainy week and there's nothing for me to do, so why not buy plants online? I'm so bored, and but on the other hand, I'm excited because my plants are giving me new leaves, and I'm also excited for the next month because I found the plant that I would like to buy, that I would like to really have. There's this collector that is selling I think a baby Anthurium regal. I want the Anthurium regal so much, but it's very expensive. And then this couple posted they will sell baby Anthurium regal, and then I'm just waiting for next month because I'm out of budget. It's not for this. Yeah, but I got this too. I've been looking for this plant into big plant nurseries, but I couldn't find it. And the other day, while I was checking online from my previous supplier, they're also collector, and I found they're selling, so I'm happy, of course. Let's open this one first. Oh my god, what plant is this? Oh, surprise, surprise. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I hope you will not die. It's getting cold, winter is coming, and I'm worried for my plants. So far they're doing good. Oh my god, look at this Maranta lemon lime. Oh my god, look at this beautiful leaves, because I have the other variety and I've been looking for this variety for so long, and finally, and this is just one. There's no other plant, there's no other stock for this, and I'm happy that my previous supplier had this, so even if I had just less money, I cannot let this one go. So you can really say that I'm a certified plant addict. Oh yeah. So this is it. Look at this. Oh my god. So nice and green. I had the one with the pinkish shade. So I'm so happy. And oh, again they give me, what is this? Oh, maybe there's there. And there's there. Oh, I think I have freebies. Let's see. And the other one is a cutting, because I can't afford the adult plant of this, the full plant of this. It's very expensive. It's $250. I can't afford, so I was just waiting for someone to sell a cutting, and voila. I hope this won't die in my care. I hope this will survive. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. There's a lot like this in the plant shop, but very expensive. Like I said, it's $250. dollars, US dollar. Very expensive. I can't afford. And this one is, I have liked this in the Philippines though, but before coming here, I sold it to my friend. And here she is. Philodendron Ploumanii. I've been longing to have this plant, but very expensive. So I took a gamble on this one. I hope it will survive. Let's check the root situation in this. And they cut it very ay my god. Say how can I say, like on the very edge. Oh my god, the petiole starting to become soft. I hope, oh my god, please don't die on me. Let's check the root if this gonna live. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, it seems like not so good. Look, there's just this. I hope I can let this one go. I'm really hoping this won't die in my care. I love this. Look at this silvery, thick, velvety leaf. And oh my god, really, the petiole started feeling like getting soft. I'm so worried. Please don't die on me. Oh my god. There are roots though. Look at this part here. But I don't know. Oh my gosh. I hope. Oh, I'm gonna pray on this one. I hope it will survive. And are these freebie? I don't know. Let's check. Because I bought a lot from this couple. So maybe they give me some. What is this? They gave me freebie. What is this? Please don't oops. Oh my gosh. I think this is a Philodendron Silver Sword. So they gave me a cutting. I'm not really a fan of this silver sword, but because it will become so leggy, and I'm not really a fan of it, but of course, why not? And this is free, you guys. I just want to hope this will survive. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This one has roots. So this has a big chance of surviving. Oh my goodness. Oh, they give me 2 freebies. What is this? What could it be? This is so small. What could this be? Where are you? Where are you? Oh my goodness. I think this is a jade pothos. I already have this one. I have jade photos there at the back, but I'm so thankful at least. This looks so not bad, but I'm happy with the silver sword. I'm just worried of this. My goodness, do you think it will survive? Oh my gosh, please don't die on me. It's because this is very expensive, guys. I found one with like 6 or 8, 27 leaves and $250. It's very expensive. Oh my goodness. So small. Look at this. But I'm happy. I'm happy I got this one. This is what I really wanted for so long. Because I want to show you my other Maranta. Ouch. It's in my plant room. Ta-da! This, look at her. She's so stunning. Look at the color on this one, and it has grown full. This has been with me for 7 months, and look at her now. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, look at that. So yeah, I'm very happy, and I'm gonna do an update on my plants, and I want to do a winter house plant tour in my my caladiums are over, and I'm gonna take this one and keep them in a bag, but this is still doing better, so I will just wait for that. I'm not watering them anymore, so it will totally dry. And look at this begonia. Oh my goodness, my angel wing begonia, and my begonia maculata is blooming, and the other begonia here. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you next time.